back to the shop. We are working on a Dodge Charger today, a Scatpack. We're gonna do a Catback exhaust that I've been talking with the customer for a little bit now. We kind of came up with a plan, decision. We chose an exhaust system, which I can't tell you exactly which one it is because it ain't here yet, but I will give you some more information as we start working on the project. But I'm kind of excited. I've not yet to work on any of the new Chargers yet, or actually really any of the old Chargers, but I'm excited to, you know, get this going and done, and we can work on our next projects. Enjoy. Good God, man, that sounds sweet already. I don't even know why anyone would want to mess with that, but we gonna.
Make myself useful. Oh yeah.
Oh man, that's what everybody wanted to see, some bags.
Some brown bags. It's be a nice next pipe. Back kickers. Huh. So we're going straight pipe, huh? We like loud noises.
Ready?
Oh, I'm already recording.
Oh. Movie magic. We remove the two clamps up here, and then there's two cross member pieces supporting. And then we got rubber here, the actuators, and then should be two more rubbers on each tip. Drop it down as one piece.
So we got the actuators put in, the mop actuators. They actually don't have valves anymore. These will keep the computer happy. Canada, eh? So, got a few pieces in, getting it knocked out. Well, howdy.
So we don't really like quite how the tips are sitting in there with the amount of stick out on the inner tube. So what we're gonna do is use the technology, which I didn't even think of. I was like, I don't even want to cut them off with a Sawzall. Caleb's like, you're an idiot. We have the tooling. So we're gonna take it back off, cut that down so it sits flush inside there and has just a little bit of stick out just like the customer wants. So. had Chinese for dinner. She's like, I want some Chinese. I'm like, yeah, let's do it. I like Chinese. You ain't gonna like Chinese tonight, girl.
Oh my god!
I know. I told you. I know. You ain't ready. You ain't ready. You ain't ready for this. We might burn it up. I think it might ignite that.
There's enough methane in that to be dangerous.
Yeah, careful. Yeah, you might want to let it air out for a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna take 40.
Bad food choices are good.
Good.
Good? So good.
Good.
Here. There we go. We didn't really like the access points of the Allen bolts, and I suppose you could put them on the bottom, but then you lose that angled look. So maybe they could design their tip a little differently. It's okay to get to over here, but not so much over there. And then plus the factor of theft. These are pretty nice tips. So we're gonna weld it on and make it a little bit harder. First one's always the easiest. Second one, duplication.
Who put the welder in the way? I said, who put the welder in the way?
It is, got wheels. Roll out.
Yeah. Let me get a look here. Good.
Poppy.
You got parking spot too.
No, he parks right there in the front.
Park where you park the silver truck.
Yep. That's that.